welcome back to my channel, and on today's video it's going to be a stitch video. I'm going to do what is called the X stitch or cross stitch. I'm going to start off with some double crochets, a few rows of double crochets, just to give us something to hold on to. It is easier if you do it that way. And I'm also going to change colour so you can see it more clearly. I'm going to change colour my last stitch. And then we're going to chain 3, which is going to count as a double crochet. We're now going to do a treble crochet in the, let me just double check, the 4th stitch. So we're going to yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, 3 stitches, and we're going to insert our hook, draw up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through 2. And then going to chain 1, we're going to yarn over twice, and then we're going to come back to our first skipped stitch, which is this one here. Now this is where it gets a little bit fiddly. We're going to insert our hook, and we're going to come back out, but in front of the previous blue stitch. We're going to yarn over, pull through that stitch, and then pull through 2, and pull through 2, and pull through 2. It won't look like a lot just at the moment. We're going to chain 1, so we're going to yarn over twice, into the 4th stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Chain 1, yarn over twice, and then come back to the first skipped stitch, yarn over. Not like that, we want to make sure our hook is in front of that blue, in front of that first double crochet. Bring the yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. I think I split a stitch there, didn't I? Let's try that again. Yarn over, into the stitch, in front of that stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now. So, hopefully you can see that. There are the 2 cross stitches. Now I'm going to show you what happens if you don't do it in front of the stitch. We're going to start with a chain 1, we're going to skip through 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do it into this 4th stitch. Yarn over twice, into the stitch, just a normal treble to start off with, then skip chain 1, and then we're going to come back. And we're not going to do it the correct way. I'm showing you what it looks like when you do it wrong. Now, if you do it like this, the stitch kind of gets stuck. It gets stuck and it can't really go to the middle of it. Whereas if you do it in front, it's in the middle. Whereas here, it gets stuck down here. So I'll now do it again. Hopefully you've been able to see the difference of what I'm actually doing by showing you that. So I do the first one, chain 1, yarn over twice, come back this way in front of that stitch. I'm just going to finish this off quickly by doing 2 doubles at the end. So there. there's our cross stitch, which is now moving around and does not get stuck. There we go. That is the cross stitch. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.